did we ever agree to this awful boot camp?
Come on, don't you couch potatoes want to get in shape?
Yes, and that shape is round.
Look alive, campers! Down and give me 20! Up and give me 30! Sideways and give me 1,000! The other sideways, you ungainly galoot of a grizzly! A strong body makes a strong mind, and a strong mind makes a strong camper!
This strong camper has a strong appetite. When's breakfast? Weenie, these smoothies are disgusting.
McSquizzy's orders, only the healthy smoothies for the boot camp, but the curly straws for my idea.
But it tastes like dirt.
Yeah, the secret ingredient is mud. McSquizzy says a little grit is good for the gumption. Not sure what that means, but the alliteration is impressive. Perhaps it needs more grit? For the gumption, you see.
Oh, I can't live like this. McSquizzy has got to be stopped.
Come on, Elliot. McSquizzy does so much to keep the camp safe. The least we can do is spend a day training with him.
And the day's just beginning. Let's see, we'll run drills for common dangerous scenarios such as surly Bigfoot, an evil sparrow attack.
I didn't know sparrows could be evil. Ornery, maybe, but evil.
And we'll finish out the day by training each of us how to operate the catapult of doom. In case we discover an evil clone in camp and have to catapult him to kingdom come.
Maybe he's the evil clone.
Nah, he was born like that. But maybe there's a good clone out there somewhere.
Quit your gallivanting, lads. It's time for the wee obstacle course of friendship. And pain!
I'm still waiting for the friendship part.
You two just volunteered for my judo throw demonstration. You mud-swilling malcontents!
Now mud is bad? I thought he said mud gives grit and gumption. This guy is all over the place.
That's how you toss around evil clothes. Now, 5-minute break, then I'll show you how to fling the hot tub, a.k.a. the catapult of doom.
Look at him. Smug as a bug in a rug, in a jug.
Yeah, he gets to shout orders all day, and we gotta suffer while he eats nuts noisily from a jar.
Whoa, I just had a great idea for a prank. What if we make McSquizzy suffer a little bit too?
And that's that. No more evil clones.
Having some trouble there, McSquiz?
Interesting. Is there a McSquizzy protocol for not being strong enough to open a jar?
Me back! Me lovely back!
Oh, I can't help but feel this is somehow a teeny bit our fault.
McSquizzy should stay off his feet till his back heals. We'll need someone to look after him.
We'll do it.
Whoa, what? Hey, don't we follow enough orders from him already?
It's our prank that caused this. We owe it to McSquizzy. Besides, we're in charge of him this time. He's a helpless patient. He's got to follow our orders now.
Oh, good point. I can't wait to get...
Hi! Attend to me, you disorderly orderlies! I have needs!
Huh? How come I gotta be the one to climb the tree?
Because I'm spotting.
I'm tired of working my butt off doing McSquizzy's demands. He's even worse as a patient than he was as a drill sergeant. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, nice spotting.
I can't believe after all that effort, we only got one acorn.
We're gonna get an earful from McSquizzy for sure.
Did you see that? He seems totally fine.
He's probably just fighting through the pain.
I can't believe someone would fake an injury like that.
Hold up! Didn't you do the exact same thing last week to get out of chores?
I can't believe he stole my idea to fake an injury like that. Quit faking, McSquizzy.
Me? Faking? Oh! Your spurious accusations have made me back even worse! Oh!
What's going on in here?
These malcontent disorderlies jostled me back! It might take another week or 10 to heal!
Out!
But we didn't...
He's
Out!
You're probably wondering why we gathered you all here.
We were already here just hanging out, but sure.
We have some startling, disturbing, and downright appalling news.
Oh no! A law has passed limiting the length of a dog?
Worse. McSquizzy's been faking his back injury to chill out and relax.
You gotta be kidding. McSquizzy's a lot of things, but chill isn't one of them. Come on.
Nobody believes us.
Then we just gotta prove it.
Right. McSquizzy's a pretty good actor. I think the only thing that would actually get him to drop it would be a serious threat to the camp. That's it! The thing he's most paranoid about. Let's introduce him to our evil clones, huh?
Don't mind me, just out here evil cloning. Ha! 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 Ha!
That's not how an evil clone laughs. You gotta do it louder like this.
No, it's more of an evil laugh like this.
Sweet heavens to Betsy! Evil clones! I know exactly what to do. Judo time! I love the hunt.
See? Judo stuff. McSquizzy was faking.
I've got you now, you evil clones!
Wait, McSquizzy! It's just us! We're not evil clones!
That's exactly what an evil clone would say.
Please don't catapult us. We just wanted to prove to everyone that you were faking your back injury.
You know, it's a terrible burden trying to keep the camp safe, especially with all your whinging and moaning about doing your part all the time. I truly did hurt me back, but it healed so quickly and, well, you know, I suppose it felt nice to have someone look after me for once.
We don't deserve you, McSquizzy.
We're sorry, McSquizzy. We should have never taken you for granted.
From now on, we'll work less and complain more. No, wait. No, the opposite of that.
Can you please forgive us?
Oh, I forgive you, you numpties. Now let's get you to that catapult. that's powerful enough to fling yous into orbit.
You know the worst part of being catapulted to Kingdom Come? No spotter.
Looks like we'll all be here for a while together.
Not to worry, laddies. I can still move enough to play me bagpipes.